Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Chemical engineers use their knowledge of chemistry to create projects and address challenges relating to these projects. They often protect goods such as computer chip and paints and plastic. The typical work environment to chemical engineer is an office and laboratories in industrial plant and practically in industries like energy and pharmaceutical and manufacturing and research and development R R&D. Chemical engineer and chemical engineers must subscribe my YouTube channel Imran technically chemical engineer use their knowledge of chemistry to create products and address challenges rating and to thus protect the often protect goods such as computer chips and paint are plastic. The typically work environment of chemical engineers in an office, laboratories in industrial plant, practically in the industries like in agri and pharmaceutical and manufacturing and research and development R&D. Chemical engineer use their knowledge of chemistry to create projects and address challenges relating to this and project. They often produce goods such as computer chip and paints and plastic and typically work environment for chemical engineers is an office and laboratories and industrial plant and practical in industry like there and pharmaceutical and like energy and manufacturing and research and development RD R&D and manufacturing and research development R&D. Chemical engineer and earn an average salary 81 and $103 per year according to the BSL job and chemical engineer may grow up and about 14% average and decade and read more what is chemical engineer and petroleum engineer devices method for oil and gas extractions for subtracting and deposit. A background in organic chemistry can be helpful for career in this field because of the involvement of materially all materials. Chemical engineers earn an average salary of 81,103 per year according to the BLS, and job for chemical engineers may grow about 14 over the decade. Made more what is the chemical engineer, petroleum engineers devise the method for oil, gas, and extractions for subterraneous and deposit. A background in inorganic chemistry can be helpful for career in this field because of involvement of metallurgy and the materials. Engineer may grow about 14% over the decade and read more what is chemical engineering, petroleum engineers devise method for all gas and extraction from substance and deposit. A background in inorganic chemistry can be helpful for a career in the field because for the involvement of metallurgy and the materials. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel Imran Technically. Allah Hafiz.